Hello and welcome. Good morning, good evening, good day, wherever you are right now, whatever time it is for you. Welcome to my channel. My name is Gina. People have been telling me for a few years to go ahead and make a YouTube, so I figured we'd try it, see how it goes. This past weekend was pretty eventful. For those of you who don't follow me on Instagram, I recently bought my friend Andy a snake for her birthday, and we went to go visit the little guy. And I was playing with one of my favorite snakes. His name is Lucifer. He is a Texas Indigo, and he was a bit angry, and he actually bit me. I've been bit by things before, but he just got a little freaked out, and he tagged me. It is what it is. I'll insert some pictures somewhere in here for you guys to see if you don't follow me. Now, the Texas Indigo is like my second favorite snake, right behind a Gaboon Viper. Really love Gaboons. They're just do. Like, gorgeous, magnificent creatures. They're usually pretty docile, pretty easy to handle, all that kind of cool stuff. They kind of look like cobras without the hood, but they do puff their necks up, so that's kind of cool. They don't hood like cobras. It's not that dramatic. It shut off. Even though he bit me, he's still my favorite. I still love him so much. Now, when he bit me, like I saw it coming, but I was holding him and I couldn't let go or he would fall, and I was like, well, buddy, you're just gonna have to bite me, and which is fine. And before anybody says anything stupid or mean or anything, like, it wasn't his fault. It's not the snake's fault. And if you're gonna play with things with mouths, you're probably gonna get bit at least once. So also this weekend, I met up with some friends and we went and checked out the Chattahoochee Nature Center. Never been. They rehab animals. Most of them they have to keep and they can't release back into the wild, but they're all Georgia native animals. This guy had some red-tailed hawks out. They have a possum. They have a beaver. They have all kinds of cool stuff. I was able to get a good bit of footage to show you guys and some of the animals that they have there. So keep watching and come along.
We are at the Chattahoochee Nature Center with all the burbs.
What up?
We can go
All right, so where are we going?
that way or this way. This way ends, but there's birds this way too. And then we can come and go back around. But yes, we're definitely walking for birds too. I've got this place memorized.
Good.
The great horned owls are
Say
there.
hello.
Hi. Wow. Hi, baby. He's talking. Hi. Good bird. Oh my gosh. That's a majestic little pose he's got going on.
There he is. What are you doing?
Hi, burb.
Oh, now they're not gonna fly?
There's one crazy one.
There he goes.
Dang.
Ghost story. I found one of these in my driveway where I lived out, like in the sticks. And it was baby, a little tiny thing. And I went to pull in, and it was sitting in the driveway, and it was pouring down rain. I got out and got him. I was like, I gotta move you, baby. I don't want to hit you. It was so pretty.
Hi, bird.
And tell everybody where we're at, Quincy,
We're at the Chattahoochee Nature Center with the beaver,
for now.
the big fat baby
Beavers.
beaver.
Oh my
We got
God. It's scratching
raptors.
itself. It's scratching its belly and you're missing it.
I got him scratching his belly.
He's scratching his belly.
Yeah.
They got a possum,
Possums. We got snakes.
a snake.
A snake. They're probably not gonna let me touch.
Why not?
I want to, but I've already been
They
bit
have
once this
some
week.
fish.
Where's Nathan?
We have a Nathan.
We have a Nathan.
He's over there.
Come here, Nathan.
I love beavers. We've always seen some shit. Get some music playing or-
Hi, pretty bird.
Okay, here's Quincy's buddy, the vulture.
Hi. How are you today, bird? Hi. You very pretty bird.
Hi, buddy. Hi, pretty. Hi there. Hi. Hello. Hello. Hi. Are you friends with the camera? Hi, pretty. Let's say hello.
Oh, wow. Look at how pretty you are.
Yeah. I know. Ooh, show off. We got some show offs today. Hi, baby.
This. Hi. You
What an
showing off?
athlete. Oh my God.
I'm free.
This bird is showing off.
She like, let me at you. Come close.
I'm trying.
You got any dead shit?
Got any dead shit?
Snack?
You got
Only
some.
muscle.
You got some snack for a cute, pretty bird?
You got some
Pretty
snacks.
bird? You got some snack for pretty bird? Pretty bird, pretty bird. Wow. Wow.
The man of the hour. Making his way back over.
You can just like go in it.
There's no bats.
Yeah, bats.
Is that bat?
Any bats in there?
No. No bats.
No bats.
No bats.
That's exactly what it looked like too. Extremely accurate dramatization of events.
You gotta have
The goods.
disrespect the goose.
But he's not your friend, remember?
Right.
Oh yeah.
You have to leave.
You don't even know him.
I'm
Where?
trying to scare you off.
Why are you here?
I'm like a vulture, like.
The vulture did.
Uh-oh. Yeah. You heard Andy? Why y'all all freak? Look.
It's very defined, but it's very thick.
There's steps.
Work in progress. Come on, yeah.
Yeah, they lead straight to the mud and the water, so which means we're probably going to
I don't see no
Might be
snakes.
for employees.
say that.
I don't see no snakes.
No snakes.
No
They're here, we just can't see them.
There wasn't a sign and there were steps, so we could argue for our case.
I didn't bring my socks.
Alright, that's it. Watch out for that prickly bush you're up against.
Yeah, it looks very scary.
Yeah, that looks fucking intense, like barbed wire.
And it's
I grew up in the woods. I'm fine.
you about to be in the
Okay.
woods again.
I don't know what it is.
I thought you grew up in the woods.
I did, but
Not these woods.
no, we didn't grow up there.
Don't.
I'm not going to. Oh my goodness.
What are we doing?
I don't know.
Oh shit, I stepped in a hole. Why'd y'all tell me that? Ow.
Yeah, Gina grew up 2 doors down from those woods. I don't know what her problem is.
I just saw the steps in my Cotopaxi. That's where I got the fanny pack and the backpack. It's got all the different colors because it's all recycled random shit.
Yeah. I love their website because it's just really cool. They have
Nathan,
so
can
much
you say
stuff on there.
sponsored by Aria?
And Cotopaxi.
Yes. No.
Probably like how close that guy is to us right now. And the baby and the mama were just.
We did a dolphin tour in Treasure Island, Florida a few months ago. And, you know, we got on the boat, there's dolphins over here, dolphins over there. But what was really cool was when we got off the boat and ate dinner on the pier, there was more dolphins than I've ever seen in my life, just jumping around
They're like feed
in front of the patio.
feed us food.
Yeah, they were like, got some snack.
They're like, you want a shot? They do get fucked up on, what is it, porpoises or something? Is it the pufferfish? Yeah.
Passing the pufferfish around, like freaking them out.
Stop being my friend.
Notice when I said it, she turned around and looked at you like you did it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's fine.
What?
Grandma. Gam gam gam.
Not.
Gam gam.
Oh God. I think it's worse.
Oh, it's not gonna work.
Stairs. Shut up. I'm not giving you a mullet.
I'll do a good job.
I gave myself like a really long wolf cut, and that was okay.
Look, this cut was a bob when I left the salon.
I saw it. I saw how you fixed it. You really, really, really did a good job.
Make it talk. Has a glitter tail. Oh my god. It has teeth. Look, it has teeth. Well, that is it. I hope you enjoyed the bit of the Chattahoochee Nature Center I was able to take you guys on. Before I go, I want to show you, they have a gift shop and it's really awesome. So I was going to show you some of the things that I picked up from there. Basically, what pays for the Nature Center is you paying to come visit, the profit they make off of things, and donations. So if you'd like, I will leave their website below. So if anybody would like to donate or go visit, you can check it out. But these are some of the things they have in their gift shop that I had to have. We all know I had to have this little rattlesnake. He doesn't rattle, but he's cute. Look at it. Look at his little face. Look at that face. that face not freaking adorable? I love it. Love it so much. And there's this little back. Love him. So I couldn't make my mind up between that one or this one. So Nathan told me just to get both. So I did. I love his little colors. Obviously it's a copperhead. Like, new copperhead, look at his little face. He's cute too. He's adorable. So they come with these little tags. I took one off of the rattlesnake, but inside of it, oh, I can't do it without breaking it. It has obviously what it is, copperhead, and then it has like cool facts about the copperhead down here. It has 5 to 7 replacement fangs in its gums behind the functional fangs. Copperheads are social snakes and will hibernate with other copperheads or other species of snakes in communal dens. The copperhead finds its prey by using heat-sensitive pits, which are located on each side of its head. This one doesn't have any pits, but it's a little something about copperheads. And if you didn't know, rattlesnakes are actually vipers. Isn't that cool too? It's amazing how many people look at me like I'm crazy when I say that. Anyway, they have a bunch of t-shirts too. So I did get a t-shirt. Like, surprise, I'm gonna take the tag off. Surprise, surprise, snakes. It has, let's see, does it have, it does have the indigo on it. Okay, it has all the native Georgia snakes on it. It's so cute. Just freaking adorable. Or, no, that's not the indigo. That's a black racer. Huh, he kind of looks like Lucifer. Okay, well, they left off the Eastern indigo. We do have those in Georgia, and they're huge, and they're protected, and they're amazing. So, it left off my favorite one. Anyway, the back has all the little snake skins and what they are, which I think is adorable. So, we know me, I'm going to cut the sleeves off and rock this thing. So that is some of the things from the gift shop that they have. I'm really upset. I thought I was filming this sweet little man with one of the red-tailed hawks. He was telling her story and how she imprinted on humans when she was born and how she thinks she's a human and she's very social and everything. And she's 32 years old. 32. I think it's so cool. Such a long time. But she cannot be released into the wild because she thinks she's human. She doesn't know how to be a red-tailed hawk. And I went to get all the footage off and it wasn't there. Apparently my camera was taking photos and not videos. So I'm really upset about that you got to miss that. So if you want to go check that out, please go visit, donate, all that good stuff. Like I said, I'll leave it down below so you guys can go check it out, donate to them. You know, everything helps take care of these animals. They spend like hundreds of thousands of dollars a year to take care of these animals. Okay, well, that is it. So I'll leave all my other information down below as well, where you can find me on other handles, which I'm sure you're from those if you're coming over here to check me out. But if you don't follow me, I'll put Instagram and TikTok down below. And, you know, comment, like, share, subscribe, all those things I'm supposed to say. You know, you're not on YouTube if you don't say those, right? So do all those things for me. Please keep coming back. I'm gonna do some cool stuff, I promise. I'm trying to get my life together, okay? So stay tuned for the outtakes after this of me trying to actually film the intro with my dog. Didn't work, didn't happen. So stay tuned for those little outtakes. So goodbye from me and my little rattlesnake buddy. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Stop!
Give me here. Oh my God. This is creep. There he is. There he is. Yeah, I'm doing my hands.